Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at There Is a King by Elevation Worship, and this song is in the key of F sharp. It's very important to know your keys, especially if you're playing any song. Always try to find out what's the key, or always try to figure out what's the key, and that'll help you out a lot in terms of improvising and trying to make the song your own. Okay, so we're gonna start with the intro. Okay, so the song actually doesn't have any piano on it. It's just pads and guitar and a trumpet, and some drums later on, but there's actually no piano sound. So what you're about to hear here is sort of like an adaptation of what the guitar is playing. I try and emulate what the guitar is playing, but this is how I would play it if you gave me a piano sound and you asked me to play the song. So I'm just gonna go into the intro. If you listen closely on the soundtrack, the intro is actually doesn't sound like they've got a metronome on it. It just swells and swings all over the show, and yeah, it doesn't sound metered, so just be careful of that. This is how I would play it. Okay, so the intro only has 3 chords. So it's F sharp to B, and then we rest on the F. Okay, so I'm playing. And the right hand is playing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go into the verse. You can play the song 2 ways. I'm gonna show you both ways. You can either play chords and just hold chords, or you can play the melody just like the guitar is playing. So I'm gonna show you the first method, which is just playing chords. So this is how I would play the verse. Okay, so that's how I would play the verse, just with the chords. So it starts with F sharp to F sharp over C, to F sharp over C sharp, sorry, to the B, D sharp minor, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, D major. Okay, and another way I would play the verse is playing along with the singer. So it'll sound like this. Okay, so that's one way of playing it. I'm just gonna play it slower so that if you want to see what the melody lines are, you can sort of copy it. Okay. So now this is the point where we go into the chorus. So the chorus is, it's B major, na, la, 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 to F sharp major, na, la, 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 B major, to C sharp major. So I'm going to repeat that again. So it starts with the B major, then go to the F sharp major, B major again, to the C sharp. Now we go to B major, to C sharp, and D sharp minor, and B major, C sharp, okay, so that's how the choruses would go, and then you go back into the intro, and then you go into the second verse. So I won't show how you play the second verse and the third verse because all the verses are played the same. So I'm just gonna be playing what is the turnaround after the second chorus, which goes like. Okay, so let me just walk you through what I'm playing there. So it starts with the C sharp major, and then I go to D sharp minor, and then I play the D sharp minor again into F sharp major, and I rest on a C. And we go to B, to D sharp minor again. Okay, so the important thing here is what you're hearing on the top. So it's So the way that I'm voicing the chords is always trying to keep this melody line. Always trying to keep this melody line on the top. So how I voice my chords is always letting the melody to be on the top of the chord. And when I'm playing the second time around the B, as you know, B major has this D sharp major, D sharp notes on top. Okay, so when I'm playing the B, as you know, the B has the D sharp on top, but I'm not going to use that because it's going to mess with my melody. So I'm going to voice my B as a B2. Yeah, so that's the whole song. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and feel free to put your song request in the comment section. This song was quite fun, I think. As I said earlier on, there is no piano on this song. I could have just explained the song using just pads without the piano sound. But I just wanted to show you how I would approach it if, you know, I was given the song to play alone with the singer, without any musicians backing me. So, well, this is a piano tutorial. That's why I chose to do it on piano, okay? And yeah, that's my take on it. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you're subscribed and feel free to put your song request in the comment section, and I'll see you next time, guys.